I took a little break from social media for 2 weeks, and here's why. To invest in myself. I bought and road tested a new digital course with master resell rights. I dove deep into it, perfected some high income skills, and guess what? I created an incredible website complete with a simple but amazing sales funnel. I learned all this stuff from the course itself. The easy to follow step-by-step instruction and the included support from this course is the best in the industry. But here's the thing, I'm now selling that very same course for 100% profit margin. Yes, 100% profit. And even better, you can do it too. Ready to learn how? Just click the link in the bio for all the details. No fluff, no BS, no upsells. It's a straightforward, easy to follow masterclass on digital marketing. That's it. You can also go to digitalresellpro.com to see how it works for yourself. I believe this is one of those open door opportunities that if you walk through now, you will access years of success for yourself and your family. Let's be wealthy, my friend.